How to enable or disable Siri replied without confirmation for announced notifications on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Notifications. Then in here, we go down and tap on Announced Notifications in the Siri section. And in here, tap on Replied without confirmation. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or tap on it to turn it on. It's said that when acting on a notification that supports replies, have Siri send replies without first reading back the message. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.